Let's talk about leverage. Leverage means you're able to control a much larger position than the money you actually have in your account. For example, with a 1 to 100 leverage, you can open up a $100,000 position using just $1,000 of your balance. Sounds powerful, right? That's because it is, but it also comes with risk. At Mubite, we give you the tools, but it's your job to use them responsibly. Here's how leverage works in our programs. In our 1-step and 2-step challenges, you can use leverage up to 100 times. This gives you flexibility. Just don't forget about proper risk management. But in instant funding, the rules are stricter because you're trading real capital from day one. So you can use up to 3 times leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and up to 2 times leverage on altcoins. These limits are non-negotiable. If you exceed them, your account will be terminated immediately. Use leverage wisely, trade with discipline, and show us what you're capable of.